What's up, folks? Long time no see. I would I don't know, I would like to replace this new mousepad style for this car. So just got that from eBay. That should be compatible with the current mouse track here. So what I'm going to do is take this unit out, remove the side buttons, plug it back in, and may I give it a try and see if that works. So that being said, let's go. There you go. There you go. That is out like so. So it has clips on the side. You have to kind of try to spread it open at the same time pushing down, because these will be on the way here. So yeah, that was clipped in tight, which is good. The cool thing about this middle console here for Mercedes is extremely easy to remove. We just lift up, it's out. Okay. Again, I've never done this before, so I'm just well, I don't know if I can get you a better view. Well, let's see. There, how about that? All right, I'm assuming I need to remove this bracket here. So we'll do that first. Okay. Oh dang. Just found me a plastic something. Shit. I don't know what the hell that is, but I almost broke this thing. Okay, yeah, there's two more screws underneath this guy. Okay, it's moving. There we go. Jeez, that weighs like 30 pounds. What the hell? Down. Carefully ply out. There you go. Now will be any good time as any to clean this up, so we will. Jeez, that is so heavy, I can't believe. Okay. Coffee. So this is my concern, okay? Here we have the main harness, all right, for the trackpad. I mean, I guess this guy, but for the mouse I have this one. Okay, let's take a look. Actually, is it this guy? Nope, I think it's the white one. Yep. So if this is missing, how is this supposed to work? Weird, right? I guess we're gonna find out. Won't we? Cool. Alright, let me clean this stuff up and see if we can put it back together. Cool. So this was on this side. Yep, just like so. We'll clip in. Okay, looks good. Okay, that clipped in. It's sturdy. And yeah, let's give it a try. Everything is plugged in. And just leave it like that. You see, the menu is on. That is not cool. Oh. Are working in the back. Yeah, see, home is working. Back. Okay, nice. Okay, backwards. Well, actually it is working. So, oh crap, you guys will not be able to see. Alright, so what I was saying, actually I'm not sure how we're able to eliminate this connector, which leads to the mouse here, mouse track, mouse pad, whatever you guys call it, right? And we're just leveraging the main connector here. So we have a connection that is not used, and yet it still works. I don't get it. The only thing that I notice is I get the manual on, and if I press it, nothing happens. When the key is on an accessory, this is pre-ignition, it turns off, and then this one comes on. So yeah, no idea why that's behaving. It's probably because this is out, but it's working. So let's put it back together. All right, back to reality. How do we put this on? That is just mind-boggling. Oh, I did have more space. Yeah, there you go. That's how. So it's supposed to stay like that. Okay. And when you remove that, you had access to these screws. But now this new one that space is actually blocked, so it comes all the way here. So this guy now has nowhere else to sit. Like, how? Maybe I should modify these brackets. Yeah, literally. I don't know, why do I even need this? Nothing bolts on it. So yeah, let's do it the right way. We're gonna do it the right way the first time. All right, I trimmed it here, as you can see. I used my Dremel, and yes, I did not use safety googles. You deliver only once, right? So let's see if this made any difference, and I'm pretty sure it did, but we'll confirm shortly. Okay, now I should be able to slide this in. There you go. Would you look at that? Beauty. Just beauty. There you go. This is the way it's supposed to be. So yeah, not everything works from China the way it's supposed to be. I guess. Okay, plug this baby in, this one as well. Lights are plugged in. This guy plugs in late. Oh man, I screw myself up. Come out once again. I need to put the screws on. Getting ahead of myself. Cool. Okay, this is clipped in. Let's put these where they're supposed to be. And I'm here. Carefully now insert the last connection. What the fuck? A fucking stink bug came out of nowhere. God damn. That was some fucked up shit. I'm gonna have to move this. There you go. How's that? Yeah, it's good enough. I'm pretty sure someone's gonna have something to say on the internet, but guess what? They can F off. Okay, fitment is very nice. That thing is moving around. Last piece, this guy. Fucker's always tricky. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Sweet. Very good. All right, that's it. Now we just converted from, sorry, let me just move you guys around a bit. We converted from this, which is the original, and I'm telling you guys, this thing is super heavy. It's probably like 3-4 pounds easily. Like, what the hell, Mercedes? I mean, yeah, it looks super nice. It's aluminum and all this stuff, and feels exquisite and expensive, but come on, this is the new version of your car. Could have just put it in the older version as well. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, it looks like it has more space, it flows better, so yeah, recommend it. Quick updates. I just finished installing this Trackpad. I'm working on the video, and before I even finish the video, I want to show you something. I'm clicking the individual, actually they're going through different modes, as you can see, but take a look at this. It's only one light. It's supposed to be 2 lights when it's Sports Plus. So if I click that one time, okay, nothing happens. Usually it did not happen. If I click at the same time, I go to Comfort, then I'm Sport, which is 1, and now Sport Plus, and it's still 1 light. So that missing connector probably had to do something with the light in here, but it's still functional. So yeah, expect that.